Yeah, you see the garden of the farmers. They grow a lot of vegetable and greenery and different color, like red color vegetable. Wow. Dạ, cô nói sao? Dạ. Rau đậu là rau gì cô? Rau dền thế hả? Xanh và đỏ khác nhau hả cô? Oh, hay quá. Oh, look. Look, the tree. Do you know the tree? The fruit. Yeah. Bông giấy rồi đó hả? Do you know that? The tree with fruit. No, right there. The one, the tall one. Right here, right here. Right here. Yes. This one, yeah. Oh, banana, no, my God. Yeah. Do you? Oh, yes, is banana. Over there is mango. And over here is what? Yeah, con vô vô con. Do you know beetle and areca?
Yes.
That is areca. Areca fruit and the leaf is beetle. So they combine two things, eat into the mouth, and the mouth becoming red. That is our culture.
Wow.
Right, Vietnamese culture
But
is
it
very
is
rich.
ready to eat?
Ready? Yes, yes. It's already 1 year, I think so.
Okay.
And eating is not for full. Eating is a culture. You know what I mean?
No.
I'm explaining about culture of eating that
Yes.
in the ceremony like a wedding. So there are two families sitting together. They come for the anniversary and they share the culture to have a good relationship between bride and groom family. So they could take that areca and beetle leaf, chewing. So after chewing is the mouth and teeth becoming red. Is the happiness and lucky culture, lucky culture. Yes. Dạ, cô ơi, hoa giấy hay là hoa gì đây? Ah, you know this one?
Yes. We have similar.
Bougainville.
Bougainvillea.
Bougainville,
Yes.
yeah. Yeah.
And
And
this I've seen a lot.
oh, I don't know the name.
But this is pretty common, right?
Right. This is everywhere. It's easy to see it.
Yeah.
And how about this one? Can you name this one?
No.
They eat fruit. No, look, fruit there. Fruit there, look.
This?
No, that is flowers. Can you find the fruit for me, please? Try your best. With
We have that. That's,
Yeah.
we call it.
What do you call?
I forgot.
Let's see how many
Fruit?
branch of that, and you will remember the name. How many?
How many sides?
Yeah, how many sides?
4.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4. Or the inside.
4 or 5?
Yes. What's the name?
Star fruit.
Yes, star fruit.
Yes, star fruit.
Star fruit.
Good. Next.
I don't remember how
Yes.
we call it.
This fruit.
Lemon?
No. Same family but not.
Orange?
Flower. Same orange but not.
I don't know.
Our Chinese name is kumquat. Kumquat. No?
Nope.
Or English name is what?
Mandarina?
Mandarin. Yes, mandarin. Yes.
I love it.
Yes.
And how do you call this? Aloe?
This is also difficult to remember, but it's like the pine.
Yes, aloe.
Pine.
Aloe vera.
Aloe.
Yes, we
Really?
call it aloe vera.
Aloe vera. Yeah, I don't know.
Savila.
Oh really? Is kind of making drinks.
Is it the animal?
Yes, the animal.
Oh, so cute. Is he alive?
The snail.
Snail, yes.
Snail. Wow. There are not only one, but 2, 3.
Yeah, they
Two,
eat
three.
the plants.
Yeah, they eat plant. Okay, so you see the original family.
Yes.
Villagers, farmers, sleeping, worshipping, sleeping. One room, not different room. That family culture in Vietnam.
This is bonsai.
Oh yeah, what? Oh yeah, banyan tree, bonsai. We name banyan tree. Banyan tree is an old tree, very old tree.
I see a lot of that.